everyone, welcome to the weekend stock forecast. As always, let's go over the markets here. Now let's see what we can expect next week. And I want to start it with the SPY. Now as you can see, last week on the Fed action, we saw new all-time highs on the SPY right around to the 173.50 area. And as you can see, on Thursday and Friday we saw some nice selling action in this market. It was a slow bleed lower. But what can you expect on a light volume? Now the markets are currently overbought, so my expectation is that the markets can go lower in the coming week. The first big resistance on this daily chart of the SPY will be this area. It will going together with the daily 50 and 20 moving average. And if we can break through this level, this will be our next major level, the 163.10. Now let's go over this intraday chart here and look for some scalping levels for Monday. Okay, on the upside, first level of resistance will be the 50 moving average. Then we have this pivot around the 172 even number. And then we have this gap window at 172.33. And then we have this gap fill at 172.81. Now on the downside, let's look for some scalp long levels. First minor level will be this gap fill 170.31, and then this pivot low around 170 even number pairs. And then it will be this gap fill at 169.34. This will be a minor level right here, this recent pivot high around 169.55. Then we have this pivot low at 168.74. And then we got this gap window at 168.28. Okay guys, now let's go over some swing short positions that I'm still holding. I covered this one all through Facebook. So if you want to get alerts, just join our Facebook page. And I want to start with SLB right here. Now as you can see on Thursday, SLB made a very nice topping tail. We were extended from this daily 20 moving average. And on Friday we saw a retrace. I grabbed this short around 89.23, that was my entry. And I just covered my first half on the close on Friday for a $1.75 gain. And my second target on this swing short will be this 85. Now as you can see, it was a prior pivot high. With the 20 moving average, this will be currently be some support on the chart. Now another swing short that I covered through Facebook was this Boeing. It was the same setup as SLB. The only thing is I didn't wait for a 50% retrace, just on the base that we were very overbought, as you can see on this daily chart from the 20 moving average. So I grabbed the short on the open. My entry was 119.09. This was my stop out, so basically $1.25. My first level where I cover my short will be this 116, and this will be my second level, the gap window around 113.40, let's call it. It will go together with the 20 moving average. If it will take a few days here. Now another swing short that I'm keeping my eye on here is Facebook. I'm looking for a short on the pairs of this $50 even number the coming week. So as you can see, it's still strong Facebook. It's following this 20 daily moving average. So let's look for an extended move into this $50 even number area. The stop loss on this play will be $2.50. This will be my hard stop. And on the pullback, I'm looking for this area around 45.70. This recent pivot high. This will act as support then. Now another short that I'm still holding is Visa. Now, as you can see on this daily chart on Thursday, we got a nice topping tail right from into this double top area around 196. Now on Friday we saw a close above this tail high, and I'm looking, if we see a close above this high from Friday, this will be my stop out. My hard stop on this play is $2.05. So just in case it gets a monster pop on Monday. And on the downside, my first level where I will cover my short will be around 190. And then I'm looking for a down move into this dual moving average. Now another short where I'm keeping my eye on is Mosaic. As you can see, it made this down move, and now we're consolidating just below this 50 MA. It's still hovering above this daily 20 moving average. But if we can see enough sideways consolidation, it might be a swing short, so I'll keep you updated through my daily videos. Now let's go over Apple here for some scalp long and short positions for Monday, or areas. The first level of support will be this gap fill with the 200 moving average, currently trading around 464 even number. This will be my first level of support. Then we have this 460.70, the pivot low from Wednesday. Then we have this gap fill at 455.20, and the big level next week will be this double bottom around 447.80. Now on the upside, first level of resistance will be this double top at 478.57, and then 480 even number. Okay, let's go over ExxonMobil here. Now first I want to jump over to this daily chart here of ExxonMobil. As you can see, we got this big down move, and now we're making this flag pattern just below the 50 and the 200 moving average. I'm short this play from Wednesday, as you can see, as we came into this 200 MA. And my first covering area will be this 20 daily moving average around 88 even number. And my second target on this play will be this pivot low around 85 even number. So I'm looking for a bigger down move on my second half. Now the reason for this is the markets are making new highs and ExxonMobil is going sideways, so if the markets can break lower, this will be a weaker name, so it can make a bigger move. So I'm looking for the 85 even number as my second target. Now let's go over some scalping levels here for ExxonMobil. On the upside, the first level will be double top at 89.90. Now, the first level of support will be this gap fill at 88 even number. We also got this pivot low at 87.86, so it can pierce the gap fill right into this pivot low. So you have to see the action at that moment and take a decision. Now the other big level will be this 87.30. Then we have another level right here at 86.80. And now let's go over the last name here is JP. Now as you can see on Friday, JP was slightly stronger than the market. We got this up move and then this consolidation. The only negative here is that it's trading just below this 3 moving average. So don't look for a long on Monday on the open. Now if we were trading above this the 3 MAs, I was tempting to take a small long on the Monday open, just in case to see a pop into this double top. So this will be my first resistance at 53.47. And then we have this double top around 53.84. Now on the downside, first level of support will be this triple bottom. This will be minor support at 52.56. And then we have this double bottom low at 52.12. As you can see on this 60-minute chart, we got the same setup. We got this pop, and as you can see, it's now trading below this dual moving averages on the 60-minute chart. So yeah, let's watch it when it opens on Monday. If you can see open above this 53, it can make a move higher on Monday. Normally Monday is a slower trading day, so I'm looking more for longs and shorts. But let's keep an eye on it, guys. Now, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. And I see you all on Monday. And don't forget to subscribe to one of our channels. Take care, guys.